the news of another scam in the Goa government, that 5 crores from the account of the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan meant for the primary schools has been siphoned off by somebody in Calcutta. I don't think should now call it shocking. We need to call it expected, because these kind of things which are happening across our state, week after week or month after month, a scam after scam, is nothing new. How could this amount, huge amount of 5 crores, go unnoticed? What kind of mechanism is there with the government of Goa to monitor the use of the funds, its availability and its disbursement? This kind of a scam where the money was being siphoned off into a private account, and I am told that this has happened because the persons involved created forged documents, got a new checkbook and issued checks in an account. The entire picture will be clear when the investigating authorities place this before the public. But to know that this fund was available and lying in some place could not have happened without the handiwork of some insider. And definitely this insider would perhaps not trust another fellow Goan, and so he chose somebody from a different state and probably to share the spoils of this booty, and that is how the money was being siphoned off into that account and out of the state's treasury. Nothing moves out of state treasury funds unless there are appropriate orders. I even suspect the bank officials who would have helped in opening this account to also be involved, because it can't be just presenting letters, opening an account, getting a checkbook and then issuing checks. There has to be a syndicate involved, and each time the needle of suspicion points again to the government and its officers. I call for a high-level inquiry independent of the investigation being conducted by the police, and to fix the responsibility and ensure that we don't have such kind of scams coming up again in the near future.